Looking for ceiling Atmos speakers for your home theater? All the product pages look the same. Same glossy photos, same buzzwords like immersive and cinematic. But the real difference between a speaker that just fills space and one that actually makes you feel like you're inside the movie, that's buried deeper than the specs let on.
Product number 1, Mika M8C, budget powerhouse. Let's start with the Mika M8C. At under $60 a speaker, this is one of the most affordable in-ceiling options that doesn't sound cheap. What caught my eye was its 8-inch woofer and pivoting 1-inch silk dome tweeter, rare at this price. If you want full range sound without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 8-inch poly woofer delivers solid low-end response, down to 40 Hz, which is impressive for background music or light movie watching. The pivoting tweeter lets you aim high frequencies toward your seating area, so dialogue stays clear, even if the speaker isn't directly above you. With 90 decibel sensitivity, it gets loud easily, and the 100-watt power handling means it won't distort under pressure. It's also paintable and nearly invisible once installed, perfect for minimalist setups. Now, some people complained about the lack of deep bass, and they're right. You're not getting true subwoofer level thump here, so if you're watching action movies with explosions, you'll definitely want a separate sub. Here's the thing though, for overhead Atmos effects like rain, helicopters, or ambient soundscapes, these do the job surprisingly well. They're not meant to replace front speakers, just enhance the height layer. This is perfect for you if you're building a budget-friendly 5.1.2 or 7.1.2 Atmos system and want clean, balanced overhead sound without spending hundreds. Skip this one if you expect thunderous bass or plan to use them as main speakers. For under $60, it's an insane value. Just pair it with a good sub.
Product number 2, Polk RC80i, all-weather performer. If the mica's basic mounting worried you, the Polk RC80i steps up with serious durability. Priced at $249 for a pair, it's more premium and it shows. What stood out immediately was its rubber-sealed design, built for damp areas like bathrooms, kitchens, or covered patios. If you want Atmos sound that survives humidity and still sounds cinematic, this is a smart pick. Here's why this matters for you. The 8-inch dynamic balance woofer uses a mineral-filled polymer cone that reduces distortion, so even at high volumes, voices and effects stay clear. The 1-inch aimable tweeter focuses sound where you sit, improving imaging. Plus, the sealed back design prevents moisture from damaging the internals, a huge win if you're installing near a shower or outdoor kitchen. Installation is tool-free with spring-loaded clamps, and the aluminum grills are paintable for a seamless look. Now, some users mentioned the Bluetooth version can have slight latency, not ideal for syncing with video. Here's the thing though, Polk's main strength is wired performance. Use these wired for home theater and save Bluetooth for background music in other rooms. The sound quality over wired connection is noticeably tighter and more responsive. This is perfect for you if you need speakers in humid spaces or want reliable, long-term performance with minimal maintenance. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or don't need weather resistance. At $125 per speaker, it's a solid mid-tier investment with real-world durability.
Product number 3, Klipsch R41SA, True Atmos Elevation. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for pure Atmos immersion, the Klipsch R41SA. These aren't traditional in-ceiling speakers, they're upward-firing modules designed to bounce sound off the ceiling. At $149.99 for a pair, they're a different kind of solution. Here's why this matters for you. Klipsch's Tractrix horn technology delivers crisp directional highs that create a convincing overhead soundstage. The 4-inch IMG woofer and LTS aluminum tweeter are built for speed and clarity, essential for Atmos effects like flying drones or rain falling from above. They're also wall-mountable, so you can place them on sidewalls or even atop your front speakers. With 100-watt peak power handling, they keep up with dynamic scenes without breaking a sweat. Now, some people complained they don't work well with high or angled ceilings, and that's fair. If your ceiling is over 9 feet or sloped, the sound reflection gets messy. Here's the thing though, for standard 8-foot flat ceilings, these create a surprisingly realistic height effect without any ceiling cuts. They're also magnetic grill friendly and look sleek in black. This is perfect for you if you can't or don't want to cut holes in your ceiling, but still want Atmos effects. Skip this one if you have high, vaulted, or irregular ceilings. For renters or DIY-averse setups, these are a game changer.
Product number 4, Klipsch CDT 5650-C2, Premium Ceiling Beast. If you're ready to go all in on ceiling-mounted Atmos, the Klipsch CDT 5650-C2 is a serious contender. At $139.99 each, it's not cheap, but it's built like a tank. What grabbed me was the 1-inch titanium tweeter and ceramic metal woofer, materials usually found in high-end floor standers. Here's why this matters for you. The titanium tweeter delivers ultra-detailed highs with zero harshness, perfect for pinpointing overhead effects like birds tripping or glass shattering. The 6.5-inch ceramic metal cone is rigid and lightweight, reducing distortion even at high volumes. Combined with Klipsch's CDT, controlled dispersion technology, sound spreads evenly across the room, no hotspots or dead zones. It handles up to 200 watts, so it won't flinch during loud action sequences. Now, some buyers noted the installation depth is deeper than average. You'll need at least 4 inches of clearance. Here's the thing though, that extra depth houses better acoustics and damping. If you're doing a full remodel or new build, it's totally worth the space. Just make sure your ceiling joists allow it. This is perfect for you if you want reference-level ceiling sound and are willing to invest in long-term performance. Skip this one if you're renting or have shallow ceiling cavities. For dedicated home theaters, this is Klipsch's best ceiling performer.
Product number 5, Herdio 6.5-inch, all-in-one smart setup. If you want plug-and-play convenience, the Herdio 6.5-inch system is unique. At $148.49, you get 4 speakers, a wall amplifier, and Bluetooth, all in one box. What stood out was the built-in 4-channel amp with mic input and USB playback. If you want whole-home audio with Atmos potential and zero receiver hassle, this is intriguing. Here's why this matters for you. The wall plate amplifier lets you control volume, source, and even add a microphone for paging, great for offices or multi-room setups. The 6.5-inch speakers use silk dome tweeters for smooth highs, and the flush mount design keeps things clean. Bluetooth streaming works well for music, and the 150-watt peak power per speaker means decent volume for medium rooms. Now, some users reported the amp can get warm after long use, a common issue with compact wall units. Here's the thing though. For background music and light movie use, it's totally fine. Just don't expect it to drive a full 7.1.4 system. The real strength is simplicity. This is perfect for you if you want an easy, all-in-one solution for background audio with Atmos-like coverage. Skip this one if you're building a high-end theater with a dedicated AV receiver. It's a niche pick, but for smart homes or offices, it's surprisingly capable.
So which one's right for you? The Mica M8C wins for budget builds, the Polk RC80i for damp areas, the Klipsch R41SA for no-cut installations, the CDT 5650-C2 for premium ceiling sound, and the Herdio for all-in-one convenience. Each solves a different problem. Pick based on your space, budget, and how deep you're going into Atmos. Thanks for watching. Drop your setup questions below.